In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy USDT on Bitget. This is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Bitget, and you just want to make sure you are logged into your account. This can be done on the Bitget website or the mobile app, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using. But once you have logged into this page, you want to go up to the top left corner. Now, if you're from UK like myself, you won't actually be able to deposit and withdraw from your bank via Bitget. So if you are from UK or it doesn't allow you to buy it via your bank, you will have to buy on a different exchange, then send it over to Bitget and then buy USDT from there. However, if you're from outside of the UK, you should be able to see this option at the top that says buy crypto, and it actually gives us a whole bunch of different options to buy crypto. But I'd recommend credit or debit card or a bank deposit, so you can choose whichever one's easiest for you. Now when you do get to this page, it will ask you which currency you want to buy, and we can just choose whichever one we want. And once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and choose next. Now you will actually have to verify your ID in order to do this, because as you can see, after verification, you will be able to do whatever you want on this exchange, but before that, there are some limits. And one of those limits is they won't allow you to deposit fiat. So you have to do this first if you haven't already, and from there, you'll then be able to deposit your fiat. So once you've done that and you've got some fiat in your account, you can go up to the top where it says trade, and we can go over to this fiat tab, and then we can type in our currency. And when we type in USDT, one of those options is to trade against the euro, so we can swap the euro for USDT, and from there, we will have successfully bought USDT on Bitget. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.